Welcome to our one-day tour pilgrimage dito sa Pavia. And on the first stop is the Basilica San Pietro di Celloro. Ito ang simbahan kung saan nakalagak ang tumba ni San Agostino. So, ang unang event natin is the Holy Mass since it's Sunday. And also in connection with the feast of San Ezekiel Moreno, patron saint of cancer patients. Dito matatagpuan ang tanyag na Ark of San Agustin at ito rin ang resting place or dito nakalagak ang remains ni San Agustin de Hippo at ni Severino Bosius.